In this video, I'll show you how to use scene edit detection to automatically split up an already edited video without scrubbing through it manually. So this is an already edited music video, and what I want us to do is to split this up. All we're going to do is we're going to right click on the footage. We're going to scroll down and look for this over here, scene edit detection. We're going to click on it. We are going to choose apply cut at each detected point, and I don't think this is necessary, so you can leave it, and press analyze to start. So now this is going to take some time, and we're going to wait for it to process. So now that it's done processing, we can see that our clip has been split up, and we can see the cuts at each point where the cut was made. Like see, boom, 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 boom. So that's how easy it is. Thanks for watching this video to the end, and I'll see you in the next one.